Imagine a world with no temples, no mosques, no churches, no God. No one prays when life collapses. No one believes they will be judged for their actions. No one thinks a higher power is watching. Now imagine another world, a world where everyone follows one religion, where people believe in right and wrong, in reward and punishment, in accountability beyond human law. Which world would be safer? Which world would be more dangerous? And which one would protect humanity? Today, we are not here to attack religion. We are here to face a hard truth. A world without religion would not become peaceful. It would become more dangerous. Let's step into that world. In a world without religion, there is no heaven and no hell, no concept of sin, no belief in divine justice. People believe only in science, law, and power. At first, this sounds modern. It sounds logical. It sounds free. But look deeper. Religion does something law cannot do. It controls behavior when no one is watching. Law punishes after a crime. Religion stops crime before it happens, inside the human heart. Without fear of God, the only fear left is fear of police. And when police are not there, power becomes the law. Without religion, morality becomes flexible. Right and wrong change depending on profit. Why stay honest if lying works? Why stay loyal if betrayal pays? Why be kind if cruelty wins? Religion fixes moral limits. Without it, morality becomes a business decision. Without religion, human life loses sacred value. People become biological accidents, tools for use, objects for exploitation. Killing becomes strategy. Cheating becomes intelligence. Manipulation becomes success. Religion teaches that every life matters. Without it, power decides whose life matters. And when suffering comes, when a child dies, when disease strikes, when injustice wins, science explains how. But religion explains how to survive it. Religion gives hope. It gives meaning. It gives patience. It gives strength. Without it, depression rises. Suicide rises. Violence rises. When God disappears, something else takes his place. Money, weapons, governments, technology. History shows us one thing. When people stop fearing God, they start fearing dictators. A world without religion may be advanced, but it becomes brutal, efficient, but heartless. Now imagine two more worlds. Not a world without God, but a world where God is believed in different ways.
World 1. Many religions. In this world, people follow different religions, different gods, different books, different rules of right and wrong. Belief becomes identity, and identity becomes a border. My God, my truth, your lie. Not everyone becomes violent, but religion becomes a powerful excuse for division. History shows this pattern again and again. Different beliefs create different groups. Different groups create tension, and tension creates conflict. Politics uses religion as fuel. Nations use God as a flag. Faith becomes a badge instead of a guide. Even when people want peace, their beliefs push them into sides. This world is free in belief, but fragile in unity.
World 2. One religion. Now imagine the opposite world. One God, one belief, one moral language. No competition of faiths, no religious sides to choose from. There is no my God versus your God. No true faith versus false faith. No holy rivalry. Religion is no longer a border. It becomes shared ground. So religious conflict disappears, not because humans become perfect, but because belief is no longer a battlefield. People may still fight for power, for land, for money, but not for whose God is real. This world becomes united in belief, but still human in behavior. The real difference. The difference is not morality. The difference is not kindness. The difference is not crime. The real difference is this. Many religions create many belief lines. One religion removes those lines. So conflict changes its shape, from religion versus religion to interest versus interest. Final question. So the real question is not, is religion good or bad? The real question is, what kind of world do you want? A world with no religion? A world with many religions? Or a world with one religion? Each choice builds a different future. Each choice creates a different kind of humanity. So before judging religion, ask yourself, which world would you choose to live in?